All right, welcome back to our channel. We are going to be doing some solving systems of equations. I asked you guys to look at number 7 and 8. And a lot of you said 7 and 8 actually make sense because it's there's a lot less work than say like number 10. And we're going to solve number 10 in a second. So a lot of you were able to solve this one. If you want the answer for number 8, the answer is 2 comma negative 1. You could have checked that using Desmos or algebraically just plugging in and going 2 times 2. Did I say number 8? Sorry, my bad. Number 7 is 2 times 2. Minus 1 is 3. Yay! And 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 2 is 2. So this is why I call this the redemption chapter, because you can actually like check every single answer and guarantee yourself to get an A. So if you take the time, the 2 seconds it takes to check your answer, you will make sure that you do not miss any points on this. So like, let's say you even made a mistake and you put 2 comma 1, right? And you checked your answer on Desmos and you're like, oh crap, it says 2 negative 1. That means you have the opportunity to fix your work, right? Or if you algebraically checked it, look, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is not 3. Shoot, I did something wrong, right? All right, so we're going to do number 10 and I'm going to compare it to like number 7 and 8, right? So in number 10, you all said that you have to do more work. And the reason why you have to do more work is because you can't eliminate something right off, right? Here, we're eliminating. Here, we can eliminate. Here, there's no eliminating. There's no eliminating because I don't got samesies. 3x and x, ugh. 5y and 2y, ugh. I wanted them to be the samesies. Some of you are like, Miss Johnson, look. -1 and -1, those are the samesies. But you need a variable to be the samesies, right? So you're going to think, hey, what number can I multiply by one of the equations, the other equation, or both equations to do this? Yeah, someone said, Miss Johnson, multiply the second equation by 3. So I will go like this. This is how I multiply by 3. I go 3, 3, 3. Now, some of you are going to do this wrong. You're just going to multiply the x by 3 and start eliminating like crazy. That's not legal in math. Legal in math is to multiply every single piece by an equation. Yeah, you have to multiply everything. Okay, so now that that's true, I'm going to copy my equation. 3x plus 5y equals -1. And then this new equation, he's not new. He just has a makeover. It's like Mrs. Johnson and my first name, right? It's the same equation. It just looks different. Same person, different name. Please check my math because Miss Johnson makes mistakes whenever she talks too much. 3x, 6y, -3. Yay. Okay. So now I can eliminate. And I put a big old subtraction sign here to remind myself that I'm subtracting. So 3x minus 3x is 0. 5y minus 6y, I think is -y. Miss Johnson makes mistakes. -1 minus -3 minus a negative is adding. So that's 2. So if -y equals +2, that implies that y equals -2. So in my answer, I already have -2 as part of my answer. Okay. The moment that I got here, it's like I turned it into problem 7 or 8, because then I can cancel, right? So some people will be like, yes, I found my answer. I'm done. No. What else do I have to find? No, you do not have to put the equations in the same order that they're written. You do not have to do that. Good question, though. Very, very good. Yeah, I need to find x. Do you see the blank spot here? Yeah, we have to find x. So what am I going to do? What will I do? Very good. We substitute. And you get to pick which equation you want. I like the second one. So I'm going to go with the second one. I'm going to go x plus 2y equals -1. And then I'm going to take this guy and plug him in here. I'm almost done. So we get x plus 2 times -2 equals -1. I get x minus 4 equals -1. So x equals to 3. That's my guess. Okay, I'm going to check algebraically to make sure that this is right. 9 minus 10 is -1. Yay! 3 minus 4 is -1. Yay! So look at how happy Miss Johnson is. She has a big old happy face. Why is she happy? Because I did it right and I verified my answer. This is by far my favorite part of math. Checking my answer and being like, boom! Drop the mic. Don't really drop the mic because that's your computer. We get in trouble for those things. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, figure out here. This is what I always like to ask. What's the part that is going to trip you up on the test? Focus on that part and make sure that that part is really, really strong before your test. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.